Hi guys. In this tutorial, I will show you how to control zoom and pan speed with Filmora 9. At the end of this video, you will know how to accelerate the speed of zoom and pan effect in Filmora 9. Let's getting started now. Firstly, I will use an image to show you how to control panning speed. Select the image on the timeline and click this crop tool. Go to Zoom and Pan. Select the aspect ratio to 16:9 so that the frame remain the same when panning. In this example, I am going to pan from left to right. So I will put the start frame on the left and the end frame on the right. I will line up two frames in one line to have a straight rightward panning. It's done now. Let's preview it. This is the default panning speed in Filmora 9. If you want to increase the speed, you can just shorten the duration of the image. And vice versa, if you want to slow down panning speed, you need to extend the duration of the image. Let me show you how. Firstly, watch how much slower the panning speed is when I extend the duration of the image. As you can see, it's very much slower than the default speed, right? If you shorten the image duration like this, the speed will be increased very much. Alright, let's apply the same technique to a clip. This is a free footage I downloaded from the internet. I will follow the same steps as I did with the image. Let's preview how the effect looks like. Let's increase the speed of the video by 2 times to get faster panning speed. Or slow it down to get slower panning effect. Let's select 0.5 of the original speed. Using the same technique, you can also control tilting speed too. That's all I want to show you in today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For other Filmora 9 tutorials, check out the links I put in the description. Bye for now.